Okay, here at Archie, we were at the beginning, we were dealing with issues mainly of taste and odor, as well as having to chemically treat our water impoundment because of the algae that was continually growing. I contacted LG. We talked extensively, talked with the city council, and they felt like it would be a good purchase, so we bought it. The buoy was activated, and 3 weeks into it, I went out to look at the lake to see if there were any results yet. I noticed that the algae levels in the water were receding, whereas previously I couldn't see through the water. Now I could actually look into the water. The state, MDNR, actually wanted to see what was going on in our lake because we were finally starting to pass our disinfection byproduct test. They asked me how many chemicals I was adding in order to get it to look that good. I said, I'm adding none at all. And I said, I pointed to the buoy and I said, that's what's doing the trick. So they asked me about the fish. Does it disturb the fish? And I said, no, it does not disturb the fish at all. We have no fish kills. We go out there in the boat from time to time, and you'll even see the minnows just swimming around the buoy. We had gotten a phone call from another customer, so I got the address and I went by there. I introduced myself. She said, I want to know what you did to the water. My husband and I have lived in this town for 15 years and we have never drank the water. And the other day, he accidentally, without thinking, got a glass of water out of the tap. And when he did, he yelled back at me, honey, we don't have to buy water anymore. The water's finally good. Our bigger issues were taste and odor. And by eliminating the algae that was coming into the water plant, we were able to quit using carbon completely. We haven't used it for over 3 years now, and we have never had a complaint about taste or odor since that time.